So the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is officially out, and here are 20 features that make it a lot greater upgrade than you may expect. The most noticeable difference is the design. It now resembles the S24 Ultra, with smaller, more consistent bezels around the edges and a redesigned camera ring. The Z Fold 6 has also been given a durability upgrade. It has now received an IP48 rating. While it seems to be better than the previous IPX8 grade, the vapor chamber is now 60% larger than the Fold 5, which should keep it cool throughout lengthy periods of intense use. Despite having the same battery size, the Z Fold 6 will last longer on a single charge due to the efficient CPU, with a couple of additional hours of movie viewing and 4 hours of music playback over the Fold 5. The primary foldable display now has more durable ultra-thin glass, as well as a less apparent wrinkle, according to Samsung. That's arguable. The Fold SAXS display is substantially brighter at 2600 nits compared to 1750 nits on its predecessor. This applies to both the internal and external screens, which match the S24 Ultra's brightness. Samsung offers an incredible pre-order offer for the Z Fold 6. Pre-order the Z Fold 6 today and get $100 off, an additional $50 off if it's your first purchase on the Samsung Shop app, for a total of $150 off, up to $1,200 in improved trade-in discounts, a free storage upgrade to 512GB, a free 1-year Samsung Care Plus plan, and a 5% educational discount. There are also fantastic deals available on the new Watch, Buds, and Flip 6. The description includes a link to the deal. The Z Fold 6 incorporates all of the Galaxy AI functions, including new ones like Sketch to Image. You may sketch whatever you like on a picture with this function, such as a hat or sunglasses on a figure. The phone then uses AI to create the thing you drew and offers many versions. Portrait Studio is another great function that allows you to adjust the visual style of a profile photo. Do you want to seem like a street artist drew you? This can help you. The greatest aspect is that it does not have to be just portrait shots. You may even use it on group photographs, selecting individual faces and changing them whatever you like. But the interpreter is the coolest new feature. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.